In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do code on Squarespace. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Go ahead and click on Login. This will take you to the login page where you have a variety of options to proceed. For ease and convenience, click on Continue with Google. This option allows you to log in using your Google account, so select the Google account you want to use for Squarespace. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get down to business. You'll need to access your website. To do this, simply go to your website's specific URL on Squarespace, or you can usually find a direct link to your site from your Squarespace dashboard. Once you've navigated to your website, look for the search bar. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but it's usually located at the top or side of your dashboard. If you're having trouble finding it, remember the search bar is your gateway to accessing different features on Squarespace, including those not immediately visible on the dashboard. Type code into the search bar. This action tells Squarespace exactly what you're looking for, which in this case is the ability to add or modify the code on your site. Once you've typed that in, one of the search results should be code injection. This is where you can insert custom code into your website, be it HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, enhancing its functionality or integrating with other tools and platforms. Click on Code Injection. This opens up a field or box where you can paste or type in the code you wish to add to your Squarespace site. This feature is especially valuable for customizing your site beyond the built-in features provided by Squarespace. Whether you're adding a custom analytics script, integrating a third-party tool, or personalizing your site's design, this is where you can inject your custom code. However, it's important to note that this feature is only available to subscribers. Squarespace offers various subscription levels, and access to advanced features like code injection might be limited to certain tiers. If you're serious about customizing your site and utilizing advanced features, ensuring you're subscribed at the appropriate level is crucial. Remember, adding custom code to your website can greatly increase its capabilities and personalization, but it's always a good idea to have a basic understanding of code or consult with a professional. Mistakes in the code can sometimes break your site or cause unexpected issues. And that's it. You've just learned how to add custom code to your Squarespace site, opening up a world of possibilities for customization and integration. Whether you're looking to add a small tweak or integrate complex third-party systems, you now have the knowledge to enhance your Squarespace site with custom code. Thank you for watching and happy coding.